Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some actionable strategies to help you make $10,000 in just 1 week. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of money in a short amount of time. And you're right, it is. But before you click away, understand that while this isn't going to be easy, it is possible with hard work, dedication, and the right strategy. We're going to explore 5 different side hustles you can start today to potentially add some serious cash to your bank account. Let's get started. First up, we're talking about freelancing. Now, freelancing is amazing because you can leverage your existing skills to start making money almost immediately. There are tons of online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru that connect businesses with freelancers offering services like graphic design, writing, editing, programming, virtual assistants, social media management, and so much more. The key here is to identify your top skills. What are you really good at? Once you know what you can offer, create a compelling profile on these platforms, highlighting your experience and expertise. It's all about presenting yourself as a professional who delivers high-quality work. Don't be afraid to start with competitive pricing to attract your first few clients and build up your reputation. And remember, positive reviews and testimonials are crucial in the freelancing world. So, always over-deliver for your clients and encourage them to leave feedback on your profile. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Think about it. If you land just 2 clients who are each willing to pay $2,500 for a website redesign or a comprehensive marketing plan, you're already halfway to your $10,000 goal. But it's not just about landing those big-ticket clients. You can also offer smaller, quick turnaround services to diversify your income streams. Maybe you're a whiz at creating social media graphics, or you can write killer product descriptions. These smaller gigs can range from $50 to $250 each and can really add up, especially if you're efficient and manage your time effectively. Remember, consistency is key in the freelancing world. The more active you are on these platforms, the more visible you become to potential clients. So set aside dedicated time each day to apply for jobs, communicate with clients, and deliver exceptional work. Next, let's talk about selling high-demand products online. This is all about tapping into current trends and capitalizing on products that everyone wants. Think about it. Remember those fidget spinners that were everywhere a few years ago? The people who jumped on that trend early and started selling them made a killing. So how do you identify these golden opportunities? Keep an eye on social media, news articles, and even eavesdrop on conversations. What are people talking about? What are the latest must-have items? Once you've identified a potential winner, it's time to find a supplier. Platforms like Alibaba and Global Sources connect you with manufacturers all over the world. You can source products in bulk at wholesale prices, giving you a healthy profit margin when you resell them. Now, you don't even need to handle inventory yourself. With dropshipping, you can partner with a supplier who handles the storage, packaging, and shipping directly to your customers. You simply focus on marketing and selling the product. Speaking of marketing, this is where your creativity comes in. Leverage the power of social media, create engaging content, run targeted ads, and even collaborate with influencers to get the word out about your awesome products. Remember, presentation is everything in the online world. High-quality product photos, compelling descriptions, and excellent customer service can make all the difference in converting browsers into buyers. Chapter 3. Stocks, high risk, high reward. Now, let's move on to the fast-paced world of stock trading. I'll be honest, this strategy is not for the faint of heart. It requires careful research, risk management, and a solid understanding of the market. However, with the right knowledge and a bit of luck, it's definitely possible to make significant returns in a short period. The key here is to focus on short-term trading strategies like day trading or swing trading. Day trading involves buying and selling stocks within the same trading day, capitalizing on small price fluctuations. Swing trading, on the other hand, involves holding stocks for a few days to a few weeks, riding the momentum of market swings. Before you even think about placing a trade, you need to do your homework. Research different companies, analyze their financials, understand market trends, and identify potential opportunities. There are tons of online resources, educational materials, and even stock simulators that can help you get started. Remember, knowledge is power in the stock market. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed trading decisions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The stock market is inherently volatile, and losses are a part of the game. Chapter 4. Real estate flipping, not your typical 9-5. Okay, this next one is not for everyone, but it can be incredibly lucrative if you're willing to put in the work. I'm talking about real estate flipping. Now, when I say flipping, I don't mean buying a house on Monday and selling it on Friday. But with the right strategy and a bit of hustle, it's possible to turn a profit within a week. The key here is to find undervalued properties that you can quickly renovate and resell for a higher price. This requires a keen eye for deals, a network of reliable contractors, and the ability to make quick decisions. Look for properties that need cosmetic repairs rather than major structural work. Think fresh paint, new flooring, updated fixtures. These small improvements can make a huge difference in a property's appeal and market value. Time is of the essence when flipping a property, so have a solid plan in place before you even make an offer. Line up your contractors, source materials in advance, and have a clear understanding of your budget and timeline. Once the renovations are complete, it's time to stage the property and get it on the market. Professional photos, virtual tours, and compelling property descriptions are crucial for attracting potential buyers. Chapter 5. Sharing is caring. Online courses and webinars. Last but not least, let's talk about the world of online education. If you have valuable knowledge to share, creating and selling online courses or hosting paid webinars can be a fantastic way to generate significant income. The beauty of this strategy is that it leverages your expertise and allows you to create a passive income stream. Once your course or webinar is created, it can generate revenue for months or even years to come. So what are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would pay to learn? Maybe you're a master chef, a coding whiz, a marketing guru, or a photography expert. Whatever your area of expertise, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific make it incredibly easy to create and sell online courses. You can create video lessons, downloadable resources, quizzes, and even interactive forums to engage your students. Webinars are another great option for sharing your knowledge and connecting with your audience in real time. Platforms like Zoom and GoToWebinar allow you to host live presentations, answer questions, and even offer exclusive deals to attendees. There you have it, folks. 5 powerful strategies to help you make $10,000 in just 1 week. Remember, it's not about trying to do everything at once. Choose 1 or 2 strategies that resonate with your skills and interests, and focus on mastering them. Success takes time, effort, and dedication. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep learning, keep hustling, and don't be afraid to adapt your strategies along the way. The most important thing is to take action and start building your path toward financial freedom.